In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a bumper bracket on your Honda Accord. Using a trim tool, we're going to take off all the clips on the upper grille. Remove the Phillips head screw on the corner of the bumper. Do the same thing on the other side. We're also going to remove the third row of clips. Start at one corner of the bumper and pull straight out. And disconnect the bumper from the clips. And then do the same thing on the other side. Remove the connector for the fog light. Push on the tab and pull down. Do the same thing on the other side. Once you have your connectors undone, remove the bumper. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolts for the bumper bracket. There's a little pinch clamp right here. Pinch it right here and then pull it through. Remove the 10mm bolt from the top of the headlight. Remove the clip. Remove the headlight assembly. Remove the little pinch connector. Now we're going to remove all the connectors off of the bulbs. And one more pinch connector. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt out of the bracket. Remove the bracket off of the headlight assembly. Install the bracket onto the headlight assembly. Install the 10mm bolt. Install your connectors onto the headlight assembly. Install the headlight assembly. Install the bolts for the headlight. Install the clip. Install the connectors for the fog lights. Do the same thing on the other side. Start at one corner of the vehicle and pop the bumper into the fender. Then pull it around and click it into the other side and under the headlights. Tuck the fender liner in behind the bumper. Install the Phillips head screw. Install the clips into the top of the grille. There should be 4. Install the clips along this line.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.